Jai Hind students. Today I will give you some tips for the board examination. How will you will solve the board paper to score the maximum marks. In mathematics, there will be the two parts, part A and part B. In part A there are the two sections, section 1 and section 2. Section 1 has question number 1 to 16, 1 mark each. They are just only you have to write few steps, you have to give the few steps, or also you can write directly if direct answer is possible. Otherwise, if some step is required, then give the some step and then write the answer. No need to give the one page solution in case of the 1 mark questions. As I have seen in this pre-board examination, the many students have given the maximum explanation in 1 mark questions. That means they are losing their times. So that's why they should not give the more and more time on 1 mark questions. Just they can jump also the step in this question for the 1 mark questions. And then we will come to the section 2, and section 2 is the MCQ questions. In section 2, the question number 17 and 18 are the MCQ type questions. In each have the 5 MCQ in which you have to attempt only the 4 one. And supposed to be if you are doing all the 5, then whatever the 4 are correct, that will be taken by the examiner. So you can attempt all the 5 questions, you can write, and you will write the whatever the option is correct. If there is the four option, in that 4 option, whatever the option is correct, that you will write, and what is the answer, this also you have to write. In all that part you will do, and there is no need to show the method whatever you have applied to get the answer in this one. Just directly you have to write the which one is the correct one. So this you will do in the parts 2 second part, and come to the part B. And this part has the 3 sections, section 3, section 4, section 5. And in this section 3, each questions contains the 2 marks, and there will be the 10 questions. And here also you have not to give the very lengthy solution. Suppose to the if question is lengthy there, sometimes you know the method is very lengthy, and but they are asking just like the question is can be solved by the another method in few steps. So if you are doing by the lengthy process, then you can cut the steps, you can jump because of only 2 marks is there. Okay. And similarly in section 4, each questions will carry the 3 marks, and number of question is 7. Number of question is 7. In this section, first you will write the formula, whatever the formula you are applying. Always write the formula. Whenever you are writing the formula, you will get the 1 marks in case of the 3 marks questions. And after that, whatever the process you are doing, that you will show. And also you can jump here if it is possible. Supposed to be if you are showing that the question is 1.5 page, you can complete this is in 1 page also. So no need to show that 1.5 page. You can cut also as it is possible, and you have to manage your time. Come to the section 5. In this section, you will get the long answer type questions. Is the 5 marks each. There will be the 3 questions. You have to attempt the 3 questions. In that 3 questions, you have to give the full step, and nothing you will cut the steps, and then you will explain everything else. Now listen carefully. You will attempt all the questions. Supposed to be if you know the formula, then write only formula. If you know the few steps, then do the few steps. You will get the some marks there. Remember this. Supposed to be if you don't know the process how you will solve the questions, but you know the formula and you can start it. Okay, write down the formula and start it, and you will get the marks. So something, if you are writing the something there which is related to the question, then definitely you will get the marks. So I think all of you will follow all these things, and you will solve carefully your paper, and I think all you will got the maximum marks. All the best. Thank you.